All right, this one says, what are the coordinates of the x and y intercept of the graph of the equation above? And this one is really, really easy. So 6x plus 3y equals 24. This is a linear equation in standard form. So first off, the x and the y intercepts are basically where the graph cross the x and the y axis. So the graph has to cross the x-axis somewhere, which is the horizontal axis, and then the graph has to cross the vertical axis somewhere, which is the y-axis. And they want to know at what points does that happen. Whenever your function is in standard form, it's very easy to find that out. So the first thing you want to do again is get this into its simplest form. So 6, 3, and 24 can all be divided by 3. So we're going to do that. So 6 divided by 3 would give us 2. 3 divided by 3 would give us 1. And then 24 divided by 3 would give us 8. So this is the equation that we're actually going to work with. It'd be a lot easier. Alright. Now, in order to find the x-intercept, all we got to do is make y 0. All we got to do is make y 0. And I'll tell you why at the end. So if I plug in 0 for y, I end up with 2x plus 0 is equal to 8. Then I end up with 2x equals 8. Divide by 2 on both sides. And x is equal to 4. Alright. Now, in order to find the y, we're going to do the same thing. But instead, we're going to make the x. Remember, our equation was 2x plus y equals 8. So we're going to make the x 0. So now we have 0 plus y equals 8. Which just leaves us with y equals 8. So the reason I told you that you're plugging in 0 is because basically if you're on the x-intercept and you're on the y-intercept, the numbers that you're getting are for whatever axis you're on. So the x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. And it's going to go over to 4, but it's not going to go up or down. So that's why that number has to be 0 when we plug it in. Same thing for y. We're not going to go left or right. We're just going to go up 8 because we want to be on the y-axis. So here's a visual. For the x-axis, I went over 4, but I didn't go up or down. So that's why this point is just 4, 0. And then for the y-axis, remember you go left or right first. I don't go left or right. I just want to go up 8. So that's why my point is 0, 8 for my y-axis. So your answer would be, for the x-intercept, you would have 4, 0. And then for the y, you would have 0, 8. So that would be C.